nigga. Be the drop top, nigga. V6, Merrill shit, nigga. We gon' be riding around, getting figures, getting trailer, getting realer, real shit. In this bitch, just call it old man, nigga. When I spit, every time I get on it, I kill it for sure. You know, I'm in this this that high power shit. Shout out to Kendrick Lamar, shit. I follow it, real shit though. Nigga turn the beat on, tryna get my vision clear, turning out my HD on. You niggas know I'm cool as fuck, like I got the AC on. Niggas don't wanna be me, then be gone. I'm real as fuck, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? Throw up on the uppercut, knock your ass out. No sucker punch, real shit, nigga. When I spit, you gon' feel it, nigga. High power shit, and I'm out this bitch. Gon' kill it, bro.
Whoa, my nigga touched it. Show you what I'm blessed with. Send you the symbol of message. If you don't get it, then you don't get it, y'all. Look, we with it, y'all. I ain't trying to leave you behind, but hey, I got the track on me. You got the pack on me, and we colliding for real. That's that on that, homie. I got the fitted on, and you know the shit tilted. Nigga being hot. You know I'm guilty, and I ain't even tripping. Know them other niggas feel me. I go like this with no break between my shit. These niggas have never seen my shit. So icy every time. I be like, damn, I meant this shit. I'm in this motherfucker finna get my car back. That's push your button. I not tripping, nigga. That's top out behind me, and I don't even not worry about it. These niggas still can't find me, dog. I'm trying to find the label, cause if they see me, then they gon' sign me, nigga. Coming off the dome, nigga. So simple, I ain't even focused, nigga. Making when I'm focused, you can tell. Really can't notice, nigga, cause hey, I'm in this motherfucker. You know, we in this motherfucker. Hey, say Red Bulls. Guess it wins.
Yeah, we in this bitch, nigga. Like an athlete. Flow slick like a cavity. Real ass nigga, dog. You better have your strategy. And if you don't got it, then they probably gonna get mad at me. Ooh.